Hello, student. We were studying social responsibilities of business, and in that, we are going to see what are the responsibilities of business towards government. Now, government play very important role in creating favorable conditions for the establishment, operation, and growth of the business by formulating various policies and developing necessary infrastructure. This help in economic development of country, and also government tries to safeguard the interest of the common man. Government also provide various incentives and subsidies to the business so that business can grow rapidly, and this growth of the business will lead to overall development of the country. Now following are the responsibilities of the organization towards government. First, timely payment of taxes. Business organization must pay taxes and duties regularly to the government, such as sales tax, income tax, octroi duty, custom duty, VAT, etc. Non-payment of tax is an offense. It is a crime because it would be difficult for the government to undertake development programs. If government is not getting enough taxes from the business, these taxes are actually income for the government, and government spend this income for the development of the country. And if businessman is not paying these taxes, then government will not have enough money for spending on infrastructure for the development of the country. Second, observing rules and regulations. Business unit should follow various rules and regulation created by the government. This is their social responsibility. While setting up of business, they must follow guidelines set up by the government, and also business should follow law regarding obtaining license for specified business, the operation of business, price determination, production, etc. That means they should conduct the business lawfully. However, they can make suggestions to the government to modify the rules if it is in the interest of the society. Third, earning foreign exchange. Large scale business organization should enter in export trade to earn foreign exchange. They should enable government to import capital goods and technical know-how. If this business is earning foreign exchange, this will be beneficial for the government, as this foreign currency is required when the government is importing various goods, valuable and important products. When the government is importing some necessary items, that time that currency is required, that foreign currency is required to be paid to foreign country. So it is the responsibility of the business houses to earn foreign exchange. When they are exporting goods, they will earn foreign exchange, and this foreign exchange will be helpful to the government when the government is importing some items from the other country. Fourth, economic development. Government makes various plans and policies for the balanced and rapid economic development of the country. Now, it is the responsibility of the business organization to support such schemes, such policies of the government, to provide necessary cooperation to the government. Like, for example, companies can provide free training to some unprivileged, talented people. These people will get employment in a good company, and this will also help the country in the development process. People will get employment. Fifth, implementing socio-economic policy. Government expect cooperation and help from the business sector in implementing socio-economic programs and policies. Several business houses establish educational institutions, hospitals, libraries, recreation halls, playground, etc. for the community. This is helpful in winning sympathy from the community, and it is like an investment made by the business. Sixth, suggestions to the government. Business organization can provide suggestions to the government before framing important policies such as industrial policy, import-export policy, licensing policy, etc. Government require input of technical, economic, financial or political importance for framing appropriate policy. Business has contacts in different sections of the community that can be used for collecting the required information, providing it to the government. Any action based upon the accurate input has greater chances of achieving higher success. For example, before imposing a tax on the commodity, the government likes to know the elasticity of demand for the commodity. Other thing remaining the same, the government prefer to impose tax on a commodity which enjoy relatively less elastic demand. Seventh, no favors. The commercial organization should not take any favor from the government officials by bribing or influencing them. Sometimes this happens like government give a contract for the construction of roads, bridges, flyovers, airport, etc. Sometimes these works are undertaken by the government department, but more common method undertaking that work is to invite tender and give contract to business. Now what happened, these businessmen they bribe the government official so as to grab that contract, and even after grabbing the contract, after getting the tender, these businessmen they don't work properly. For example, when they construct road, they use cheap materials for constructing of road. These type of things should be avoided. Eighth, contributing to government treasury. The commercial organization must contribute the funds to the government during the emergencies and natural calamities like flood, earthquake, etc. For example, during coronavirus pandemic, many business will contributed to Pradhan Mantri Relief Fund, and this fund is actually used for the welfare of people. Same way flood came in Bihar or in Hyderabad, etc. This fund was used. So it is a responsibility of business organization to contribute to government treasury.